Hey guys, this is Harshit from Tech Gadget. In this video, I'm going to do the unboxing and review for this Totu design 10000mAh power bank. So with that being said, let's get started. This is the box in which it comes in the front. It just gives the pics of it and some things like it has intelligent chip, quality battery and other stuff. As you can see, it says it has Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0. And let's turn at the back and see it has Totu design and charm series something. And there also it gives us some specifications. As you can see, drop test at 1 meter, A grade cell, input chip, whatever it is. So without being said, now let's just jump into the unboxing. So this is the box as I said earlier. So now let's just open it. I removed the seal. So now it just slides out like this, and as you can see, this is the power bank itself. Let's just keep it aside and look at the other contents in the box. Also, you get this user manual in English as well as in Chinese, which will give some information and the warranty information too. So at last in the box you get this cable, that is USB type A to micro USB, and also this adapter from micro USB to lightning adapter to charge other devices, which is a great thing in my opinion. That's for the unboxing part of this video. Now let's talk about the physical overview. Front you get a display which displays the battery percentage, the voltage and ampere of input or output, and below that you just get a plastic leather finish. Up you can find two USB ports from which you can charge other devices, and next to it you can find the micro USB port with which the power bank can be charged, and near that you can find the button which turn on or off the display which is in the front. This was regarding the physical overview of this power bank. Now let's jump into its in-depth review. First, as usual, is the pros. Pro is regarding the build quality. As you can see, it has this leather finish which gives a good grip to hold this power bank. Though it is made of plastic, because of this leather finish, I feel the build quality is good. Pro is regarding the display. As you can see, here is the display which can't be seen that much, and you can see it displays the percentage and the voltage and ampere, which is good, like in case you want to know this thing. But I'm not sure whether it is 100% accurate, but nevertheless it is better to have this thing in my opinion. Regarding the USB port, it has two USB ports, out of which one has Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0, which is great. But there is one problem with this which I'll let you know in the cons section of the video. Pro is regarding the charging. It takes about 2.5 to 3 hours to completely charge this 10000mAh power bank when I use the 10-watt charger. But considering it has 10000mAh, but actually it has 6500 as you can see over here. So considering its capacity, I feel it is good at charging. Though it does quick charge support for charging, I don't have any quick chargers over here, so I could not test the fast charging of this device. This was regarding the pros. Now let's move on to the cons. Con is regarding the Quick Charge 3.0. It is there, it works, but only when you charge with one of the USB ports. In case you use two ports to charge two different devices, the Qualcomm Quick Charge does not work. It is a con in my opinion. Con is regarding the lack of passive charging. What is passive charging? In case you're wondering, it is like charging the power bank as well as other devices using the ports available here. That is impossible in this power bank because it does not support it. I wish it would have supported it because it would be helpful for us, so in case you can charge the power bank as well as some other devices using this port overnight, which is not available and a bad thing in my opinion. Review and the unboxing of this Totu design power bank. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like to press that like button, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. After you subscribe, make sure to press that bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of my upcoming future videos. So that's it. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time, this is Harshit and hope to see you in my next video.